specifically because the USS Indianapolis, which is still the largest naval loss of life from a single ship, even more than the USS Arizona, it was a very significant loss to represent the state of Indiana in the parade in Honolulu. And a lot of people have questioned why we would want to do that. Why? Because we want to change the lives of these students. We want to put an ignition point. We want to allow them to rally around that. Many of my students have never left the county. The majority of my students have never been on an airplane. So to give them a trip where they can not just study about history, but embrace history, become a part of history in an ignition point is huge.